up, guys? I just got back from my walk, so right now we're gonna make a smoothie. So all you need is a banana, yogurt, and
frozen berries.
And a kid's safety knife and milk. Let's start off with the banana. I don't like the top, so I'm gonna cut off the top.
I'll eat it.
Yeah. Nothing happened. Now it's time for me to put the yogurt in it. First, I'm gonna mix it. Gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna put the yogurt inside and mix it. Now, I'm gonna take this spoon and grab. Stop. One. Now I'm gonna put 10 of them in here. Okay, I'm gonna add some of these. Slow them out. Now I'm gonna look at my hands. Oof.
You want more?
No, it's okay. Okay, now it's time for the milk. Wow, looks so yummy, right, guys? What? Now it's time to blend it. Now make sure you guys might want to cover your ears. Okay, don't forget to clean up. Okay, back to doing something. Look how delicious this looks. It's so delicious. Delicious. Now I'm gonna tell you guys what it tastes like. It tastes good. Yeah, do you guys want that? Yeah.